This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, good evening all of you. We are discussing about functions. As part of functions, yesterday we completed group functions. They are also called as aggregate functions, and also having class and group by class are completed. Today we are discussing about scalar functions. So numeric functions under scalar category. So yesterday we discussed numeric functions under group category. Now we are discussing about numeric functions under scalar category. What is a scalar function? Scalar function execute on each record. For each record, it will display one output. For each record, it will display one output. That's why scalar functions are also known as single row functions. For each single record, there should be one output value. Now, what are the scalar functions? On numeric data, ABS. ABS means absolute. It will convert negative value into positive value and display the result. It will convert negative value and display the result. Suppose if you are giving negative value, that is converted into positive value. Negative value into positive, and finally display the result. Next one, mod. Mod of m comma n. What is mod? Modulus. Mod means modulus. What is modulus? In Oracle, we have arithmetic operators: plus, minus, multiplication, division. But we don't have any operator to display remainder. We don't have any operator to display remainder. Modulus function will display remainder value after m divided by n. Here, mod of 25 comma 5. So if 25 divided by 5, remainder is 0. Next example, mod of 17 comma 3. If 17 divided by 3, then your answer is 2. This is the remainder. Next function, power. Power of m comma n. So m to the power of nth value, it will display. So it is displaying m to the power of nth value. And here, power of 5 comma 3. 5 into 5 into 5, 125. Similarly, square root. SQRT stands for square root. Square root function find out square root value of given value n. So here, square root of 64, the answer is 8. Now, round of m comma n. Before going to round of m comma n, let me discuss the practical session of these four functions. First ABS, next mod, next one power, next one SQRT. So here select ABS of minus 25 from Julian. So it is converting negative value into positive value. Suppose 50 here, 35 minus 25. Again I am repeating, 35 minus 25. What is the result? Positive value, 10. So it will display 10. In case here 15 minus 25, then actual result is minus 10, but it will display plus 10. Okay, the result of expression passed to ABS. ABS convert value into positive. Next function. What is the next function? Mod. Select mod of 15, 2 from Julian. The remainder is 1. In case if it is 14 by 2, the remainder is 0. In case if it is minus 14 by 2, then your result is 0. If it is minus 17 by 2, then your result is minus 1. So if it is positive remainder, display positive. If it is negative remainder, display negative. Next one, power. So select power of m comma n. Suppose 4 into 3, 4 comma 3 from Julian. What will happen? 4 into 4 into 4. 16 fours are 64. Okay. Here, next function, square root. So let me apply SQRT. SQRT on the result of power function. So what is the result of power function? 64. That result is passed to SQRT. Then square root value, find out the square root of 64. That 64 is given by power function. This is about the simple functions. From here, round function onwards, it's very important to be careful. What is round? It will round up the value. Suppose after some calculation, you have this resultant value. See here, after decimal point, you have so many digits. But I don't need these many number of decimal digits. So I need only 2 digits. Sometimes I need only 1 digit. Sometimes I don't need decimal part completely. So what is round function? Round function round up m value. Round up the m value means it will rounded. It will round the decimal part to the specified number of decimal places. It will round up the decimal part or integral part to the specified number of decimal places. So here, see, it will display the given value m, that is rounded to the n number of decimal places or n number of integral places. Integral places also. But here, okay, before going to this, let me explain this one. 1263.354123, comma 2 means please round up this value to the 2 decimal places. To the 2 decimal places. I need only 2 decimal places. Before displaying second decimal place, listen carefully. Before displaying second decimal place, it will verify third decimal place also. It's automatic. So if the third decimal place greater than 5 or equal to 5, then second decimal place incremented by 1. So here third decimal place not greater than 5, not equal to 5. So it will not make any increment to the second digit. So 1263.35. Here in the next example, how many decimal digits you need? 1 digit. What is the first digit here? 3. But in the result you are seeing 4. 1263.3 actual answer, but it is displaying 1263.4. Why? There is a reason. See, Before displaying first digit, it will verify second digit. If second digit is greater than 5 or equal to 5, then first digit incremented by 1. So here it is equal to 5. So first digit incremented by 1. That's why you are getting 1263.4. Next, round off, same value. I don't need any decimal digits. How many digits I need? 0. 0 means we don't need any decimal digits. See, before displaying 0 digits, it will verify next digit. Next digit means 1. First digit. If the first digit greater than 5 or equal to 5, this value incremented by 1. But here it is not greater than 5, not equal to 5. So it will display 1263. So for example, see here. Here 1269.554 or otherwise 754. Casually I am using 7. No problem. So here actually m comma n, two parameters we should submit, but you are giving only one parameter. You are not writing n value. What will happen? If you don't specify number of digits, then it is rounded with 0 digits. Means it will completely eliminate decimal part. So this part should be eliminated. Means 0 digits. Before display the value with the 0 decimal places, it will verify first decimal place. Is it greater than 5? Yes. Then increment the last digit of the result by 1. What is the last digit? 9 plus 1, 10. Then it is becoming as 1270. Okay. This is the rounding up decimal part. How to round up integral part? If n value is negative, then m value is rounded. Then m value is rounded in the integral part. M value is rounded in integral part. Remember. See here. -1 means decimal part eliminated. Decimal part eliminated. And also from the rightmost digit. From the rightmost digit, one digit is eliminated. If your digit eliminated, what is the value at that place? 0. So here it is 3. You are eliminating 3. If it is greater than 5 or equal to 5, 6 is incremented by 1. So let me explain this practically. Round function is useful to display the given value that is rounded to the specified number of decimal places. Saying I need 2 decimal digits. 3, 5. Actually we have 6 decimal places. I need only 1 decimal digit. 4. Why? Because the second decimal digit is greater than or equal to 5. Next one, I don't need any digits. Complete decimal digits are eliminated. Next one, I'm specifying -2. -2 means decimal part eliminated. In the integral part, 2 digits are eliminated. So what is the second digit eliminating? 6. Is it greater than or equal to 5? Yes. Then next digit is incremented by 1. So it is made as 1300. Next, what is trunc? Trunc function is similar to round function. So round function, trunc function, both are useful for rounding up the value. But round function, rounding the value always by verifying next digit also. Accordingly, it is increasing the required digit. But trunc function never verify next digit. You need two decimal places, display exactly that same digits. You need one decimal place, display exactly same digit. See, you can see here, if you need one digit after decimal place, round function is giving some one digit is incremented here. If you use trunc, it will not make any increments. What is the use of trunc? It will display given value that is rounded or truncated to the specified number of decimal places. To the specified number of decimal places, remember. Okay. Suppose I want to eliminate integral part, 2 digits. Then what will happen? Minus 2. See here, same example, round function, and here last example, trunc function. See the result of round, 1300. Result of trunc, 1200. Because round is incrementing something. Trunc is not making any increments. Next, floor and seal. What is floor? Floor means flooring, down value. Remember, floor means flooring, down value. Seal means ceiling, higher value. Down value, higher value. Okay. What is floor and seal? Both functions display integer result. The resultant value should be integer, no decimal part. The resultant value should be integer. Okay. Floor display integer that is below or equal to given value. Again I am repeating, display nearest integer which is equal to or less than given value. This is given value. What are the integers below this value? 1263, 1262, 1261, 1260, all are below values. In that below values, what is the highest value? 1263. Again I am repeating, floor function display highest integer which is equal or below given value. Highest integer which is equal or below given value. Seal least integer above or equal to given value. Above or equal to given value. See, above values 1264, 1265, 1266, infinity. In all these integers, what is the result of seal? Least integer above this value. The least integer is 1264. Next one, least function. What is least? Already we discussed min and max, aggregate functions. Min function find out minimum value from the column. Max function find out maximum value from the column. But least it will find out the minimum value from the given values, from the given expressions, from the given columns, from the given columns. Suppose if you are giving 3 columns, 10 records are there. Listen carefully. 3 columns you are giving, 10 records are there. In each record, list function find out minimum value from the 3 columns. In each record, it is finding minimum value from each record among that 3 columns. If I explain like that, so many people don't understand. Just hold a moment. What is the use of list? Find out minimum value from the given values. Simple answer. Find out minimum value from the given values. Say like this. These are the values we are given. And here we have some values and some expressions. From the given values and expressions, it will display minimum value. Greatest. From the given values and expressions, it will display highest value. Min and max functions not executing on given values. Only they can execute on column data. But here, least and greatest both are executing on given values also. Now, what is floor? Select floor of 1.75. This is my value from Dual. Floor function display highest integer which is below or equal to given value. Equal to given value, no chance. Below given value, what are the integers? 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay. From all these below values, it will display highest value, that is 1. If I apply seal, then it will display 2. So least integer above or equal to given value. Least integer above or equal to given value, that is seal. Floor means highest integer below or equal to given value. This is about floor and seal. Now let me create a table. What is the table? Marks, student ID, student subjects. Okay, total 6 subjects I am maintaining: English, Hindi, Telugu, something. If you want to maintain complete spelling, you can also maintain English, Telugu, Hindi, physics, science, and social. So in each subject we have some marks. These are the marks. Let me create the table and also insert records. Select star from marks. This is the situation. What is my target? Find out highest mark in English. Listen carefully. Find out highest mark in English. Select max From which column? English column. From Jewel. English from Jewel. Jewel is wrong. What is our table name? Marks. What is the highest mark under English? 91. Okay. My next target is find out highest mark for student number 5. Find out highest mark for student number 5. Select student number. I want to select. The student number is 5. Okay. Let me take student ID, comma, greatest. Why? Because I am comparing column values, means multiple columns. So greatest of English, Telugu, Hindi, physics, science, social. So here high mark from which table? Marks table. For which student? Where student ID is equal to S 0001 0005. For the student ID 0005, what is the highest mark? 95. So here greatest is applicable on multiple columns or not? Yes. And max function, can I apply on multiple columns like this? No. Max function is applicable only on single column. Okay. Now here I want to find out, listen carefully, I want to find out highest mark for all students from marks. I want to display highest mark for every student. So for student 1, his highest mark is 90 among all the subjects. 2 and 3 also 90, 90. For the fourth student, 85 is the highest mark. And for the last student, 95 is the highest mark. Not only this, you can also find out least mark also. Same one. At the place of greatest, just use least. And here, high mark, low mark. And save it, exit, run it. From keyword not found. Here after low mark we should specify comma and file, save, file, exit, slash. For every student among all the subjects you are getting highest mark as well as least mark. Understand? When, in which case we need to apply max and min. In which case we need to apply least and greatest. That you need to remember carefully. Okay. This is about scalar functions related to numeric. category. Now, here we don't have examples. Okay, hold on. Let me take some examples. Let me copy these examples. Okay, now I am talking about character functions or string functions. Character functions executing on character data. Here, ASCII, first function is ASCII. ASCII means American Standard Code for Information Interchange. See, in your keyboard, each and every character having ASCII value. In your keyboard, every value, every character having ASCII value. Every key, that ASCII value converted into binary so that your operating system understand what is the key you are hitting. So how do I know the character ASCII value of a character? By using the function ASCII. So select ASCII of small a 97, capital A 65, at the rate symbol. Any symbol you can submit. It will display corresponding ASCII value. Next one, length. Length of the given value means number of characters in that given value, including spaces, special symbols, digits, everything should be counted. So it is finding number of characters from the given value. Suppose select length of Oracle. What is the length? 6. Next, lower. Lower means it will convert the characters into lowercase. The characters into lowercase or lowercase. Next, upper. It will convert the given characters into uppercase. The given characters into uppercase. Init cap, initial capital. The meaning is initial capital, full form. So what is initial capital? See, if you submit Oracle, O is capital, remaining are small. Initial letter of each word should be printed in capital case. It will display given string with initial alphabet. From each word, beginning character should be in capital case. So welcome to Oracle. W is in capital, D is in capital, O is also in capital. So let me explain up to here. First function ASCII. Next length, lower, upper, init cap, ASCII. Select ASCII of, I want to find out for small a. The title is small a. This is the title, comma. Next one, ASCII of small z. Here the title is small z, comma, ASCII of capital A. So this is capital A title. Next one, ASCII of capital Z. And here Z is printed in capital case. From Julia. Small a, ASCII value beginning with 97, small b 98, small c 99. Similarly, capital A ASCII value beginning with 65, capital B 66, capital C 67, up to capital Z it is 90. So like this we can find out ASCII value of any character. Next one is length. How to calculate length? Select length of welcome from Julian. You are giving a string means the string should be in capital case. The string should be in single quotes, sorry. String must be in single quotes. So welcome spelling 7-character length word. So it is printing 7 characters. Suppose if you are using hi space comma welcome. So hi space 3 comma 4, 4 plus 7, it should display 11. So length function will count spaces, special symbols and characters, digits. Suppose if you have welcome 1 to 3, it will also count digits also. Okay, similarly, get employee names and their length of each name, length of names. So how to calculate the length of each name? Select ename, comma, length of ename from emp. Listen carefully. Within the length function, within the length function, you have column name in this example. So column names cannot be in single quotes. Column names cannot be in single quotes. Right. Now, next one, lower. See, actually employee names are in capital case. How to print them in lowercase? So here lower of ename from, so lowercase. Every name, all characters converting into lowercase. Next, upper. So let me take a different example. Select CNAME from customer details. Select CNAME from customer details table, cust underscore details. So beginning letter is capital, remaining are small. I want to display all names in uppercase. So upper of CNAME. So here upper result. Actual names are mixed case, but here it is printing each name in capital case. And next one, init cap. Next one is init cap. Init cap of welcome to Oracle functions. So many words are there. From Julian, each word beginning letter is in capital case. W, T, O, F. Every word starting character is in capital case. So this is called as init cap. The next function is substring, one of the most important function. Here I am maintaining multiple stars means it is very important. Be careful. Substring, substr, full form is substring. What it will do? It will display substring from given string. It is displaying substring from given string. From where to where? From where up to where? That is decided by m comma n values. M indicating from which character, either from beginning or ending. N indicates from, again I am repeating, M for money indicates from which position you want to take the data. Suppose if you want to take from first character, M value is 1. If you want to take from fifth character, M value is 5. Beginning character position indicated by M. And N represents how many number of characters from M. M indicates from which character. Okay. N indicates how many number of characters. Okay. Suppose if M is negative, then substring is printed from ending. Here, substring is taken from end of the string. In case you don't specify how many number of characters, then substring will display from the character M until end of the string. If I say like this, you don't understand anything, come to here, select init cap of so and so. Let me replace init cap with substr. The most important function, be careful. From the given string, I want to take first 7 characters. First 7 characters, that is 1 comma 7. From first character, from there, from this character, how many characters? 7. I want to display last 10 characters. I am writing M value minus 10. Means this is only M value. Listen carefully. Only M value. So go to 10th character from the end of the string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, do one thing. 9 characters minus 9. F is the 9th character. So go to 9th character from ending. From that character, how many characters you need? From that position, how many characters you need? I'm not writing how many characters. If you don't write how many characters, it will take until end of the line. Suppose go to 9th position from ending. From that position, take 3 characters. Fun. Understand how to take from beginning and ending? Right. Now, 4 comma 4. 4 comma 4. What is the meaning of this? So from the beginning, go to 4th character. 1, 2, 3, 4. C is 4th character. From this 4th character, I need next 4 characters. Come. Suppose if you remove this from the beginning, go to fourth character, which is nothing but C, and I'm not writing how many number of next characters I need. If you don't write how many number of next characters, by default function will take from fourth character until end of the line. Hope you understand. Find length of username from given mail ID. Length of username from given mail ID. Select, listen carefully guys, select substring of, what is the mail ID? Venkat 0919 @gmail.com. Okay, this is the mail ID. From this mail ID, I want to find out length of username. Length of username. How to find out length of username? Actually, by using substring, it is not possible. You have to use one more function in str. I hope everybody understand what is the use of substring. So generally the people will count like this. Username length means generally how to print username from the beginning character until all characters. Until all characters. See 1 from this, Venkat means 6 plus 4, 10. So take 10 characters and that 10 characters you are passing to length. What is the another function? Length function. So here length of so and so from Julian. What is the length of the username? 10. Venkat means 6 characters, 0919, 4 characters, total 10 characters. This logic only suitable for Venkat mail ID. If mail ID is changed, then it is not finding length of the username properly. Suppose abc@gmail.com. abc@gmail.com. What is the length of username actually? 3. But here it is printing 10. That is wrong. It's not valid. So how to get correct answer? If you learn about instr function also, then you will get easily. Let me go to explain about instr. Instr full form is in string. It will take 4 parameters. Given string, you can also write column name. Given string, what character you want to find out, em comma n. See, it will find out the position of given character. The position of given character either from beginning of the string or from end of the string. Again, it will find out the position of given character either from beginning of the string or from end of the string. Here M indicates either from beginning or ending. M indicates either from beginning or ending. See, if M is positive, start from begin. If M is negative, start from ending. So default values of M is +1 -1. +1 means start from beginning. Minus 1 means start from ending. N indicate from the beginning. What is the occurrence means first place or second place or third place. Which occurrence you need? N indicates nth occurrence. So welcome. I want to find out E. Actually, in two positions we have E. Which position you need? First position or second position? That is decided by N. Come to here. What is in str? To find out nth occurrence of given character, either from beginning or ending. This is your string. We are using in str of welcome to Oracle functions. From the beginning means, which character you want to find out? E. From the beginning, 1. First occurrence, 1. From the beginning of the string, find out first position of E. This is the first position, which is nothing but 2. From the beginning, find out the second occurrence of E. 7. Again, from the beginning, find out third occurrence of E. 17th character here. This one. From the beginning, find out the fourth occurrence of E. 0. There is no fourth time E. We don't have E fourth time. That's why it is displaying 0. Next one is from the ending, what is the first position of E? See, -1 means no, all occurrences not required. Only we will find out one occurrence at a time. So from the ending, what is the first occurrence? See, from the end of the string, what is the first occurrence? This one. What is its position? Already fetched. The positions never changed. Remember, position number 17. In this string, what is the position of this character? 17th place. So that place number cannot be changed. Even you are finding from beginning or ending. Now, what is my target is find out length of username. Find the length of username from given mail ID. It's very simple. Simple NSTR is enough. Venkat0919@gmail.com. How to calculate username length? What is username? Venkat0919. Venkat0919, that is username. See, the username beginning from first position and the username ending before symbol. Username ending before symbol. You need to calculate that. Find out symbol position. You are calculating, you are finding the place value of The place value is 11 actually. -1 means I don't need the place of up to before I need. Then you will get the username length. What is the length of username here? 10. Somebody, suppose Ajay 1. Is it correct username length? Yes. Suppose, let me change another mail ID. Vijay123 at the rate rediffmail.com. You will get exactly same user length. There is no mistake at all. I hope you understand how to find out. So this is about InSTR. So that's all. Let me stop for today. Tomorrow we will discuss about eighth function onwards, translate onwards. That's all for today. Thank you all of you. Go through with important functions. They are very, very important.